Designed to inspire curiosity, creativity, and invention through connected play and coding, SPRK Plus is far more than just a robot. Equipped with Bluetooth Smart and a scratch-resistant, durable shell, SPRK Plus takes hands-on learning up a notch. Programmable sensors like motor encoders, LED lights, accelerometers, and a gyroscope allow for countless experiences and coding conditions. SPRK Plus will foster a love of robotics, coding, and STEM principles, all through play. Through the Sphero Edu app, beginners can give SPRK Plus commands by drawing a path for their robot to follow. Intermediate coders can use scratch blocks to learn more advanced logic, while pros can use text programming and write their own JavaScript. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. More than just a robot. Sphero SPRK Plus is a programmable robot ball designed to inspire creativity and curiosity through coding and play. Easily learn programming, complete hands-on activities, and share your creations with the community. Number 2. Programmable sensors and LED lights. SPRK Plus's programmable sensors include a gyroscope, accelerometer, motor encoders, and colorful LED lights to create countless play experiences and coding conditions for all levels. Number 3. Easy to code and create. Powered by the Sphero Edu app, you can program SPRK Plus across several platforms using JavaScript. Looking for more fun? Use the Sphero Play app to drive and play games with your coding bot. Number 4. Built to learn and play. With an hour of play, this educational robot is scratch-resistant, waterproof, charges inductively, and connects via Bluetooth Smart so you can see your commands and creations come to life. Number 5. Inspiring the creators of tomorrow. Founded in 2010, we set out to redefine creative play experiences with the original Sphero app-enabled robot ball. Now, with our undeniably cool fleet of programmable robots and educational tools, we're inspiring a new generation through hands-on applied to learn coding, science, music, and the arts. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Will this work on my carpet indoors? Answer: yes. Question number 2. What is the difference between this and the Sphero SPRK? Answer: the Sphero SPRK edition includes the same sensors and electronics as Sphero 2.0, but unlike the white shell, the clear polycarbonate material brings you closer to the robotic action you can see through the sphere and all the components. You can immediately see the connection between the program you created and how the guts of your Sphero work and react. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.